I'm going to show you how to make green smoothie. Green apple. Boom. And all you need next, chia seeds. And now, liquefy. Now I'm going to taste it. Wow, that tastes like amazing. It smells really good. It smells like sweetness. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking for Kids TV. And I know you're wondering in your head why you're doing a smoothie. You're supposed to be doing food. But my brother gave me permission to do it, and guess what? I found his little secret. And so I'm going to show you how to make green smoothie. I know it sounds weird, but it is healthy. And so here's what you need. Spinach, oat milk, apples, chia seeds, and ice. And here's what you put first. First, put the spinach. It's called green smoothie because everything's green. And you add the oatmeal milk. And then blend it together. And then boom, pop it on. Like take it off. Open the lid. And here's what it looks like. Then you add green apple. No red, just green. Boom. And all you need next, chia seeds. The whole thing, no little pinch. Ice. The banana. Then break it. Alright, and now place on the lid. And now liquefy. Here you go. Now, place it in. And here is the green smoothie. Now I'm going to taste it. Wow, that tastes like amazing, and it smells really good. It smells like sweetness, and it's amazing, like apples. And it looks like vegetables are mixed up. Super healthy first thing in the morning. And it will refreshen your day and put you in a good mood. And by the way, Max is getting his own channel, and you better follow and subscribe. And Gordon Ramsay right here, majestic. He is the top chef in the whole world and outstanding, amazing. I love him. I want to be his like little chef. I love him so much. Subscribe to his channel. You'll hit the bell for me, and you'll get notification all the videos he does. He has like 3 shows. That's so famous. He's like so famous. I love him. And subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notification all the videos we do. Don't forget to like. Love you. Bye. And so here's what you need. Spinach, oat milk, apples, chia seeds, and ice.